Welcome to my channel Shifted Drive. The beast is back, and it's louder, faster, and smarter than ever. The 2026 Ram 1500 TRX isn't just a truck, it's a statement. A declaration that raw power, rugged design, and next-level technology can all live under one hood. Today, we're diving into what makes the newest TRX one of the most talked about performance trucks of the year. Let's start with what matters most. Under the hood, Ram has kept true to its roots but turned things up a notch. The heart of the TRX is still a supercharged V8, delivering insane horsepower that easily pushes north of 700. That means blistering acceleration, enough torque to make towing look effortless, and the kind of roar that makes heads turn from blocks away. Whether you're launching from a stoplight or tearing across desert trails, the TRX delivers a driving experience few trucks can match. Performance, though, isn't just about power. RAM has reworked the suspension system for 2026, fine-tuning it for both off-road abuse and everyday comfort. Adaptive dampers, advanced traction management, and an even more refined Bilstein setup mean you can crawl over rocks, blast through dunes, or cruise down the highway with equal confidence. And yes, it still comes with that Baja mode that lets you feel like a pro racer every time you stomp the gas. Visually, the 2026 TRX demands respect. The aggressive wide-body stance remains, but subtle updates make it look sharper, leaner, and even more aerodynamic. Redesigned LED lighting up front gives it a futuristic look, while new wheel designs and fresh paint options let you stand out even further. It's not just a truck, it's a presence. Step inside, and things get even more interesting. RAM has made its interior one of the best in the truck game, and the TRX takes it to another level. You've got premium materials, massive digital displays, and a driver-focused cockpit that feels as high-tech as it does rugged. The 14.5-inch center screen dominates the dashboard, with crisp graphics and lightning-fast response. Pair that with a fully digital gauge cluster and even a head-up display, and you're surrounded by information without ever feeling cluttered. Comfort isn't overlooked either. The TRX seats are bolstered to hold you tight during aggressive driving, yet cushioned enough for long road trips. Premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trims give the cabin a mix of luxury and sport. Add in one of the best sound systems in its class, and you've got a truck that can blast music as fiercely as it blasts down dirt trails. Of course, technology doesn't stop at entertainment. The 2026 TRX comes loaded with the latest driver assistance features, from adaptive cruise control to advanced trail cameras that make off-roading easier than ever. There's even a new AI-powered system that learns your driving style and can automatically adjust suspension and throttle response to match your habits. It's like having a co-pilot that knows exactly how you want to drive. Ram hasn't forgotten practicality either. The TRX still offers serious towing and payload capability, meaning you can haul the toys to the desert on Friday, then dominate the dunes on Saturday. It's a rare combination of brute strength and real-world usability. At the end of the day, the 2026 Ram 1500 TRX is more than just an upgrade. It's proof that performance trucks are here to stay, and they're only getting better. Bold, powerful, and smarter than ever, it sets a new benchmark for what a high-performance pickup can be.